Hey everybody, it's the handbag caller here, coming to you with a video. But before I get into that video, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for my notifications. All right everybody, I am here with the follow-up to the repair I had to do on my Dooney and Bourke Florentine drawstring bag. So here are the results. I peeked in the box, but I didn't take it all the way out because I wanted you guys to see this with me. So on September 8th, I sent this bag in to Dooney to get repaired. Now, I had to send them an email, and then I had to get the return tag back from them, and then I sent it back with the return label, and then they emailed me back and told me that yes, they can repair my bag. So it is now November 21st, and my bag is here. So let's get into it. This is how they wrapped it. Some tissue paper, and it is the same bag because I remember the same watermark, little watermark on it right there. So what was wrong with it was the drawstring was coming apart here. Okay, and so it looks like they fixed it. Now I don't know if they gave me a whole new drawstring, but it's not peeling anymore. And I was trying to see if I can sniff it to see if they put glue on it, but all I do is smell Florentine. So as I'm looking, yeah, it looks like they repaired it, and the other ones look fine. So if you want to see how it looked, I can't remember if I stuffed it with that or not, but it is back in person. And so they have something here. So let me read this. Okay, so it says, we are in receipt of the item you have returned and will be making the following repairs at no charge. Replace the drawstring. We hope that you keep in mind that the aging process began when you first started using your item. Although we do our best to match the original materials used, in some cases there might be a color variation in the replacement materials as they are new. This will blend in time. Your repairs will be completed and your merchandise returned to you within 3 to 4 weeks via UPS. If you have any questions regarding this notification, please don't hesitate to call our customer service department. And customer service is 1-800-347-5000 between the hours of 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it says, please have your ticket reference located on this notification on hand when calling. So I'll hide my address, but that is the letter that they sent back. It has a picture of the bag in there. So everything to me, just looking at it right now, looks good. I was waiting. I was like, I want my bag back. I'm ready for my bag. I even have my location on my shelf here. I don't know if you can see that. On my shelf right there, waiting for it to go back on my shelf. But actually, I am going to carry this tomorrow. So right now I'm carrying my Marc Jacobs tote bag in the lipstick color, but actually it's going to be raining and I don't think I treated this bag yet, so I'm not going to carry that. Plus I need to carry more stuff that's not gonna fit in here. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update. That is the bag. It is back in effect, and ready to be carried. So I will put that customer service number down in the link or down below in the description, so you all have it. And my bag is back home. I am so excited. All right, guys. Well, that's the update. Thank you for joining me. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.